Hi everyone. In previous video we have defined a structure folder and we told about our goal of backend system. In this video we are going to initialize our API, project initialize and structure, environment and configuration setup, MongoDB integration with motor, first model, router and API. We will run that API and test the API. Part 1 is project initialization and structure setup. We have already created structure folder here. We will open it in Visual Studio Code. This is our structure folder, and in our requirements file FastAPI Uvicorn exists already. We will add our requirements that we have to enter here. We will update requirements file and we will install requirements. Pip env shell to activate our environment. Our environment already activated. Now we will install it. Pip env run pip install. These are requirements.txt. Now we are going to a strong backend developer soon. Now our requirements installed. Now we are going to part 2, environment and configuration setup. We will open environment file. In this we will set up our MongoDB URL and our project names. Suppose we have MongoDB. If you have not, then install it please. MongoDB campus. Here I have already installed, and here are links of MongoDB URL connections. I am going to set a MongoDB URL link. MongoDB const string. I'm going to copy that and enter here. This is local URL MongoDB campus, and I am going to give a database name. I am giving it real world development. Now I am going to create a config file. If I have not created already, I have created already. I am going to add config file for our environment configuration. I will enter here our project name. I am going to zoom it to show it clear. I think it's not looking good. Now I am importing our MongoDB const string and MongoDB database name. I am importing config. From decouple. Here config. I will copy it, paste it. MongoDB database name. Copy it, paste it here. Now our .env file setup, and we have set up our config file. Now we are going to integrate our database MongoDB integration with Motor. Let's create database. Import. Thank you. We are going to import MongoDB database name and casting from config, from app.config import database name and MongoDB casting from motor new import assign motor client. Second one. Now we are going to create a class authentication database. Class always start from big name, capital name, and here we are going to create a connection between Motor and MongoDB, between our code and MongoDB. Client async Motor into our MongoDB constant. Now we are going to create a client loop. Get IO loop. Thank you. Start get running loop. Now we are going to give our database name where we are going to save our database. Suppose our collection name is, here we put database name where we are going to save, and here we are going to give auth user. Suppose we are going a collection auth user. Now our connection created successfully. Now we are going to create two methods to store database and get database. Suppose we are using async method. For async database, define a function. Suppose we are register function where we are getting some payload, and we first convert the payload to JSON encoder. Document JSON able encoder into payload. It's imported from FastAPI encoder. Then we will write our await function. Self dot auth user collection dot insert one or insert many. We are using insert one, and here we will put our document in it, and here we will return our document. By this function we are inserting our data to MongoDB. We are also writing a function to get database. We will write this by where clause. Sync will use simple define function. get by where close self close. Self get find one. We will use find one. By where close, in which where close condition matches, it will get the data. Now our database configuration is completed. In next video we will start our router, controller, manager and our main file. In next video we will run our application app, mean our create API and store data into database and get data into database. Now we are going to pro in next video like a professional. Thank you.